I actually really love this stuff. The blue in it is fantastic. Alright, so this is the problem with this one. I got a really bad sore on this. That's pretty nice. But now the girdle is pretty much the same height all the way around and good for setting. Pretty nice. Look at the color on that though. Much nicer than I remember. Ready for this? Look at this. See how it gets a little lighter when it goes dry. See.